Hello everyone. Today's video we are going to deep dive into the latest technology innovations and that are set to transform the world of the data engineering. And we are going to explore the emergence of cloud native ETL for scale, reliable data processing, the convenience of the low-code and no-code of ETL solutions that can democratize the data integrations, the real-time data processing, its capabilities of streaming the ETL, and enhancements in the data quality. What we are going to discuss in today's video is what are the latest ETL tool innovations, right? And how they can improve your data engineering strategies. So the first one is your cloud-native ETL. So now industry or the ETL tools, they are getting smarter right now. So if we talk about the cloud-based things, so there are no bulky servers to manage, like renting powerful computers online to handle massive amounts of data, and also it is easier to use. Imagine drag and dropping data like building blocks instead of writing complex codes. This makes easier to set up, especially for the non-techies or semi-technical people, and you can also get the real-time updates as well. So this is something like advantage or the benefits of moving to the cloud-native ETL solutions. And also if you talk about the modern ETL tools, so they are encompassing the comprehensive range of the capabilities. It has the data testing for the data ops engineers, for the data governance, for the metadata management, data qualities, data securities, whatnot. So cloud native tools are designed to run on cloud platforms. It can be AWS, it can be Azure, it can be Google Cloud as well, and it leverages their scalability, reliability, and the security features. So cloud native ETL tools can handle large amount of data. The data engineers or the data scientists or the stakeholders did not to worry about the scalability, performance, and the latency things. If we smartly strategize the design, the architecture, and the costing things, so you can easily manage your ETL infrastructure and the software. For example, if you talk about an AWS, so it's Glue, which is widely used ETL tool. In Azure, we have the Data Factory. In Google Cloud, we have a data flow. So there are a lot of tools in the market with respect to the cloud providers, and it totally depends upon the architects, data engineers, and other stakeholders, like which tool would be the right fit for their use cases. So now the second point thing which we need to discuss is about the low code and the no code ETL. So the latest innovation in the low code and no code tools focuses on enhancing the user experience and the functionality. So recent advancements include AI-driven automation for intelligent data integration, real-time processing capabilities, and seamless integration with the cloud services. So these innovations streamline the data engineering task, improve the efficiency, and empower the non-technical users to build the complex pipelines. And they also offer a user-friendly interface and extensive connectors which can connect with the various data sources, and it can build up a scalable solutions which enables the organization to leverage data more effectively while minimizing the development efforts. These are the few things related to the low-code and no-code ETL tools that which can simplify and speed up the data engineering process, especially for the non-technical users or the teams with the limited resources. So there are few tools in the market. One of the tool is Stitch, Matillion, and there are other tools as well. One of them is the Altrex as well. So it depends upon the organization or the teams, like which tool best suits for their requirement. Now we move it to the third key innovation, which is the streaming ETL. Streaming ETL, as this name depicts, it supports the streaming data. So streaming data is the data that is continuously generated and transmitted in the real time, such as the sensor data, your web logs, your social media feeds, or industry has the robots in their factories or the manufacturing plants, so which continuously generates the real-time data. So streaming data requires a different approach than the batch data. So streaming ETL tools enables you to ingest, process, and deliver streaming data to various destinations such as databases, data warehouse, or the analytical platforms. So for ETL tools like Apache Kafka, Apache Spark, and StreamSets, so they revolutionize the data handling by enabling the real-time processing and continuously generated data. So these tools basically support instance data analysis and the decision making, and which allows the business to respond quickly to dynamic market conditions and the insights. And also it helps to ensure we have seamless integration with the various data sources, which also enables the latency processing and swift data delivery. The impact is so profound, which empowers the data engineers to design agile data pipelines that responds the events in the real time. This is something related to the streaming ETL tools. The fourth key point point is the data quality. It is something which basically focus on the automation, AI-driven data profiling, and real-time monitoring. So these tools basically, offer automated data cleansing, anomaly detection, error resolution, reducing the manual efforts, and enhancing the efficiency. So AI-driven data profiling capabilities basically identify anomalies, and also it suggests the improvements and how your data can be streamlined. Real-time monitoring features enables proactive identification and the resolution of the data quality issues, which basically ensures we get any data quality issues resolved in the timely manner. The data quality ETL tools basically can help you in identifying and fixing the data errors. For example, missing values, duplicates, outliers. So data quality ETL tools can also help you to enforce data standards. You can create your own rules, you can create your policies, and you can generate the data quality reports and metrics. Some of the examples of data quality tools are the Informatica Trifecta, which basically ensures you have good data quality in place, which reduces additional overhead from the data engineers and the teams, and which allows you to focus on solving the real problems than managing the data. Then the fifth point is about the metadata ETL. Metadata ETL focus on enhancing the metadata management capabilities, which basically streamlines the data engineering process. They have advanced features which include automated metadata collection, intelligent data lineage tracking, and comprehensive data cataloging as well. So these tools basically improve the understanding of the data, governance, and the compliance. Okay, so there are tools in the market. Collabora is one of the tools which basically offers the AI-driven metadata insights, empowering data engineers to make informed decisions. These are the tools which basically takes care of your metadata management and allows you to get the insights about like what sort of data lineage you have. Okay, it provides the attributes related to your data. Okay, it also helps in the maintenance of data cataloging, dictionaries, lineage. Okay, by improving this thing, we can improve the data discovery, classification, and the compliance. And it also streamlines your data governance, and also it ensures your data security, enhancing the teams to make a right decision. So this is pretty much about these tools or strategies or the innovations, we can say, which can improve your data engineering initiatives within your organization. And these are the some basic stuffs which I would say, and it requires more deep dive and brainstorming among the teams, and like which would be the right tool you can leverage for your data engineering products or the projects. If you do a deep research, if you do a deep analysis around it, then you can make a right decision to go with the right tool, right approach, right strategy. That's about these tools. We'll meet in the next video with the new topic. Thank you everybody, and stay tuned.